So the first method we are going to use today is known as the substitution method. So we are given two simultaneous linear equations, question 1 and then question 2. So to obtain the value of a and b in equation 1 and also the value of x and y in question 2, we will have to use the substitution method. So let's start with question 1. So we are given that 3a plus b is equal to 10 and 2a plus 4b is equal to 0. Let's call here equation 1 and call here equation 2. So the first thing we do here is that we have to make b the subject of the formula in equation 1. So we will now substitute the value of b into equation 2 to obtain the variable a. So we have it that from equation 1, b can be expressed as 10 minus 3a. Now, let us substitute the value of b equal to 10 minus 3a into equation 2. So we have it that this becomes 2a plus 4, open up a bracket, b is equal to 10 minus 3a. So we have here 10 minus 3a, close up the bracket, equal to 0. So at this point, we can expand the bracket. So we have that this becomes 2a plus 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times minus 3a is minus 12a equal to 0. Now we can collect like terms and the equation becomes 2a minus 12a equal to minus 40, because when 40 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 40. So here we have that 2a minus 12a equal to minus 40. So 2a minus 12a is giving us negative 10a equal to minus 40. Now, to obtain the value of a, we divide both sides by minus 10. So minus 10 can cancel out minus 10. On the left-hand side, we have a equal to, minus here can cancel out minus. 10 to itself is 1. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So therefore, a is equal to 4. Now, let us substitute the value of a into equation 1 to obtain the value of b. So therefore, from equation 1, we have it that 3a plus b is equal to 10. So our value of a is 4. So therefore, we have 3 open bracket multiplied by 4 plus b is equal to 10. 3 times 4 is 12 plus b is equal to 10. So if we make b the subject, we have that b will be equal to 10 minus 12. 10 minus 12 is equal to negative 2. Thus, b is equal to negative 2. So we obtain that a is equal to 4 and b is equal to negative 2. Now, let us obtain the solution to question number 2. So, number 2 says 2x minus y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 2. Also, let's call here equation 1 and call here equation 2. Again, we have to make y the subject of the formula in equation 1 and substitute the value of y into equation 2 to obtain the value of x. So we have that from equation 1, y can be expressed as y equal to 2x minus 6. Now, let us substitute the value of y equal to 2x minus 6 into equation 2. So we have that this becomes 3x plus 2. We open up a bracket. Y is 2x minus 6 equal to 2. Now, at this point, we can expand a bracket. So we have that this becomes 3x plus 2 times 2s is 4x. 2 times minus 6 is minus 12 equal to 2. Now we can collect like terms. We have it that this becomes 3x plus 4s is 7x equal to 2 plus 12. First, the equation becomes 7x equal to 14. Now, to obtain the value of x, we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x, which is 7. So 7 can cancel out itself. So at the left-hand side, we have x equal to 7 divided itself is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So x is equal to 2. Now we have obtained the value of x. Let us substitute the value of x equal to 2 into the expression y equal to 2x minus 6. So we have that y is equal to 2x minus 6. Now, if we substitute our x into this expression, we obtain the value of y. So we have that y is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 minus 6. So y is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 minus 6. So y is equal to negative 2. So therefore, we obtain that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 2. Now, the next question is, the size of the rectangle below are given in cm. Find x and y. And 2 says, find the area of the rectangle. Now, for us to be able to obtain the value of x and y, we will remember a property of a rectangle that says that opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So if we name here A, name here vertex B, and name here vertex C, name here vertex D, we are saying that AB is equal to DC. Also, we are saying that AD is equal to BC. So with this property of a rectangle, we can be able to equate the sides that are equal and obtain a simultaneous linear equation. And then we can be able to obtain the values of x and y. So we have that this becomes 4x plus 3 will be equal to x plus 6y. Also, 4x minus y will be equal to 3x plus 1. So we can collect like terms. So we have it that this becomes 4x minus x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. 4x minus x is equal to 3x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. Also, we collect like terms here. So we have 4x minus 3x minus y is equal to 1. 4x minus 3x is equal to x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have two equations that we can solve simultaneously. Thus, we can write that 3x minus 6y is equal to negative 3. Let's call here equation 1. And x minus y is equal to 1. Let's call here equation 2. So at this point, we can solve the two equations simultaneously. So we have that from equation 2, x can be expressed as 1 plus y. Let's call here equation 3. Thus, we can substitute the value of equation 3 into equation 1 to obtain the value of y. So we have that this becomes 3, open up a bracket, s is equal to 1 plus y. 1 plus y, close bracket, minus 6y equal to negative 3. We can expand the bracket here. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times y is 3y minus 6y equal to negative 3. Now at this point, we have it that 3y minus 6y is minus 3y. So we have minus 3y equal to, when 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 3. So we have negative 3 minus 3. First, the equation becomes minus 3y equal to minus 6. To obtain the value of y, we divide both sides by negative 3, which is the coefficient of y. So at the left-hand side, we are left with y equal to minus cancel out minus, 3 divided itself is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So therefore y is equal to 2. Now to obtain the value of x, we will substitute y equal to 2 into equation 3. First, we have that from equation 3 that x is equal to 1 plus y. So we have that x is equal to 1 plus y has been obtained to be 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. First, we have it that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. We have obtained the value of y and also we have obtained the value of x. But the next question says that find the area of the rectangle. Now let us obtain the area of the rectangle. Recall that x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times breadth. So at this point, our length is side AB and side DC. So we pick one of it. So this becomes 4x plus 3, all enclosed in a bracket. And also our breadth is side BC and side AD. So we pick one of it. So this becomes multiplied by 3x plus 1. So we have it that the value of x is equal to 3. So this becomes 4 multiplied by 3 plus 3 times 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So here is enclosed in a bracket, and also here is enclosed in a bracket. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3, multiply by 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15, multiplied by 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Thus, 15 times 10 is equal to 150. So therefore, the area A is equal to 150 cm squared. Now we have been able to obtain the area of the rectangle. I know you must have found the video helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more math helpful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.